front splitter took a beating. Significant debris impact here.
We need to check the mounting points immediately.
The airflow around the diffuser looks consistent with the CFD models.
Yes, the downforce numbers match the projections exactly.
The diffuser design is finalized. We can approve the build.
And the carbon layup for the side pods is optimized.
Look at the pressure drop right here on the diffuser.
Yep. It's consistent with the tunnel data. We can optimize that.
Watch the clearance on the left side impact zone.
Clear by 5 millimeters.
The thickness gauge reads exactly 6.2 millimeters here,
And the mounting points?
all within tolerance.
Hand me the pneumatic driver for the lower panel.
Secure the diffuser section first, then the wing mounts.
Check the clearance on the side pod here.
The diffuser strakes look solid, though. Flow visualization confirms the data.
Wing mounts are secure. Careful on the left side, watch the clearance.
Clear. It's sliding right in. Looks good.
Young money, Nicki Minaj, Justin.
Harness secure, display calibrated.
Seals checked. Everything within spec.
Okay, center it up
Feels aligned. Pushing in now.
and locked. Good connection.
Rear right torque at 45.
Confirmed. Front left right height is slightly off.
Noted. I'm checking the front bearing now.
Sidewall integrity is perfect. No anomalies detected.
Gauge reading matches the spec sheet.
Connection here seems slightly off tolerance. Are the pressure readings stable?
Yes, within the acceptable range, but I'll flag this for review before the next stint.
Alignment is good. Lock it down. Roger that. Engaging torque sequence 1. Wiring harness secure.
Torque set on mount 7. Confirmed.
Torque wrench ready, set to 40 Newton meters.
Confirmed. Moving to the lower connection now.
Everything looks nominal on the intake side, but check this connection.
Confirmed. The torque is set on the rear mount.
Watch the clearance on the oil lines.
Okay, clear. Push it slowly. The front splitter tolerances are... Check the voltage on the CAN bus connection here. We need to optimize the airflow through the side pod.
Agreed. The cooling delta is too wide at high RPM.
Initiating the automated headlight sequence now.
Confirmed. All modules responding within parameters.
We need to optimize the airflow through the side pod.
Agreed. The cooling delta is too wide at high RPM.
The temps on the left bank look good.
Yeah. What about the pressure differential at the bypass valve?
It's holding steady at 2.1 bar.
We're seeing a spike in the exhaust gas temperature right here.
That aligns with the fuel mixture adjustments we made in Sector 3.
All systems green on the tablet. Aero checks complete.
Brakes and suspension signed off. Ready for sealing. The descent rate looks good.
Clear on the rear diffuser, 5 centimeters to go.
Keep it coming slow. Clear on the left. Watch the wing. Stop right there.
Keep it coming, easy now.
Watch the front left. Okay, clear the ramp. Bring it right. The descent rate looks good.
Clear on the rear diffuser, 5 centimeters to go.
Keep it coming slow. Clear on the left. Watch the wing. Stop right there.
Keep it coming, easy now.
Watch the front left. Okay, clear the ramp. Bring it right. Check the pressures. We're good to go.
Telemetry synced. Pull the cable.
Clear on the left. Let's move. Let's move.
We did it! Yes! We finally won!